Been working on patching up this old plow, getting ready for winter. I've got this side pretty much all done. I replaced this one section right here all the way down through and up and over, and here is just where it was rotted out. See on the back side where it got it all straightened out. I'm not going to worry about putting any paint on this because well, I don't know what he wants on it. He can do it himself. I just got this welded in, and I'm ready to do right here. And it's rotted down here and up here. So instead of trying to save this little strip in the middle, I'm just going to save myself the hassle and go all the way up like I did over there. Just when I get the shape of the plow, try to bend it gradually without like kinking it. I'm going to finish off bending it with this. This machine is by no means big enough to actually bend this 1/8 inch. This is made for like 20 gauge sheet metal, but I can open it up big enough to get my flat stock in here, and I can just leverage up on it and give it a little more of a bend. And now we can see that it fits right in there pretty good. I'll get this on here and trace out just where I want to make my plasma cut. Okay, my piece is bent, but it's all cleaned up. It's really important to cut all the slag from the plasma cut. Finished getting this all welded up. I had some troubles here and here and here, but I got it done. And now I've got some new hardware. Put on these rubber blades on the top. One other thing I should mention is I put a lot more weld right here in this ring that holds the chain, because that was getting really thin. And with this, I am going to be done with this, and this can go out and I can get back to working on my Jeep. Got this thing all back together now. I can get out of here tomorrow. I went and I put new hardware in the top here, and I don't know what else to say. It's done.